In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Deferit payments can affect your credit score. Whether you're just starting to build your credit or looking to maintain a good score, understanding the impact of your transactions is crucial. We'll walk through the features of Deferit and how they interact with credit reporting agencies. First, you need to head over to the Deferit app or their website at deferit.com. This is your starting point for managing your bills and payments in a way that's friendly to your credit score. Once you're on their platform, direct your attention to the Features section. This is where Deferit outlines all the benefits and services they offer, including some that relate directly to your credit. Now, you'll want to look for the option that says Build Credit with Every Bill Payment. Clicking on this will provide you with all the details on how Deferit enables you to use your bill payments as a tool for boosting your credit score. It's a useful feature, especially if you're diligent about paying bills on time. Continue by scrolling down the page. Here you'll find important information about how the Deferit platform interacts with credit bureaus. The app clearly states that payments are reported to the three major credit bureaus: TransUnion, Experian, and Equifaxer. This is significant because it ensures that your responsible payment habits are noticed across the board. No matter which score a potential lender might look at, your timely payments can shine through, potentially painting you as a more reliable borrower. Let me offer some insight on maximizing the impact of this feature. Paying your installments on time can actually help maintain, or sometimes even slightly improve, your credit score. This happens because consistent and timely payments showcase your responsible financial behavior. It's a reflection of your discipline in managing money, which is what credit scores are fundamentally built to assess. However, there's a word of caution here. Late or missed payments can negatively affect your credit score. If Deferit reports these discrepancies to the credit bureaus, they could act as red flags in your credit report. So, it's vital to be mindful of due dates and ensure that your payments are made promptly to avoid such negatives. By aligning your payment schedule with your budget, you can avert the risk of falling behind. In conclusion, Deferit's payment platform can be a powerful ally in your journey to maintain or improve your credit score, providing you follow a disciplined approach to financial management. It's all about consistency and making the most of the tools available to you. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate the landscape of credit scores, and you'll be well on your way to a stronger financial future. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how your deferred payments can impact your credit score.